If your washer has started squealing at some point during the cycle, or it has quit agitating, take a look at the condition of your belt. The belt is easily accessible from underneath. In my case, I just turned the water source off, disconnected the hose. I'm going to lay the machine on its side and access the panel at the bottom. If you have a cover, remove it. I had 8 screws holding that one on. The belt goes between this pulley and that pulley. You can just roll it off. What you want to do is just kind of pull some tension toward you on the old belt and move the pulley that's on the motor side. It's going to be the easiest one to turn. Do not get your fingers hung in between the pulley and the belt. You just want to keep tension on that belt towards you and try to ride it off of this pulley. Just slow and easy. And there we go. It's going to ride right off, just like that. You do not have to remove this bracket. I took this old belt to a place here in town that sells belts and hoses and all that. So it's Bearing Supply in Shreveport, Louisiana is who I got these. I took that belt to, and I came up with this BANDO 3L180. So to replace the belt, it's really fast. Listen, this is literally a 2-minute job if you don't have to clean up anything and talk about it on a video. I mean, really, it's that easy. Slide the new belt in on top of the bracket, put it on the motor side, get it down inside the pulley on top of the big pulley, and roll, roll, roll. Keep your fingers out of the way and pop. It's in there. Put your cover plate back on, 8 screws, flip it back up, reconnect your water line, put it in a spin mode and test it and make sure everything's okay. You're done. That's it. These BANDOs are made in the Philippines, available readily in the United States. I went ahead and bought 2 because they cost me a whopping $5.20 a piece. I got 2 belts for $11.34. You could probably look up BANDO 3L180 and get it online somewhere, okay? But that's it. Hopefully you don't have any problems. Y'all take care. Got any information for me, any questions, just drop them down in the tab below. Please like and subscribe.